All right, so tell me what's been going on.
It's my lower back right side.
Okay.
I just don't know.
And is it more in the muscles in here or down into the hip area and around to the side?
around here, and it
Okay.
radiates to the front.
Okay. All right, we'll get that worked on for you. How's your neck and shoulders been?
Not bad at all, actually.
Any headaches?
No, not recently.
Okay. All right, so we're going to go ahead and set C1 and 2 on the right. Lean your head this way. Little push. Good. Oh, there we go. We don't want those to fly across the room. And one more here. There we go.
Man.
Beautiful. Okay. Now go ahead and lie face down for me.
Okay.
Take a deep breath in. And let it out. Okay, so take a deep breath in again. The right leg is short and it's also turned out, so that tells us this piriformis muscle here is too tight. It's pulling things up, and that's what's hurting. So go ahead and lay on your left side for me. I'm going to bend this leg up here.
Okay.
Bend this arm like this. The shoulder way back. Let's do this here. Good. And breathe in. And out. There we go.
Like right away.
That was right away. Okay, go ahead and lie face down again for me.
Okay.
I have this new thumper machine we'll use on you for a minute to see if we can loosen those muscles up. See how you like it. Is that painful or does that feel okay?
It feels fine.
Good.
I like it actually.
Uh-huh.